Whether you're baking cookies with the kids or decorating cupcakes for a party, Wilton has the tools you need to create amazing baked goods you'll be proud to show off. Our wide assortment of tools and gadgets make it easy and fun to bake and decorate all your favorite treats. Basic kitchen staples like silicone spatulas, whisks, and mixing bowls offer beginning bakers the everyday tools they need to succeed. Specialty items such as shaped cookie cutters, unique piping tips, and fondant decorating tools give consumers the chance to expand on their love of baking and decorating. From cakes to cookies, cupcakes to candy making, Wilton has you covered no matter what you're making. With a large variety of baking tools and decorating supplies, Wilton gives you the tools you need to bake your world happy.
I'm Kathy for Kuhn Rikon, and today I'm demonstrating our clear cookie press. I'll show you the wonderful variety of shaped cookies and treats you can create, and all the professional decorating fun you can have with our easy-to-use cookie press. Let's take a moment to become familiar with what's included. The kit consists of the cookie press with a stainless steel trigger that offers one-handed operation for right or left-handed individuals. 14 unique shaped cookie discs including a heart, wreath, star, butterfly, dinosaur, bat, pumpkin, tree, candy cane, snowman, and other abstract designs, as well as a special disc for making cheese straws. 6 decorating tips including both a small and large round tip, ribbon, leaf, star, and basket weave tips, and a decorating disc attachment with a coupler, recipe and instruction booklet, and the convenient plastic storage case to keep everything organized.
If you want to make a lot of cookies really quickly, use a cookie press and a mega cookie pan. A single batch of spritz cookie dough is going to make between 7 and 10 dozen cookies. That's a ton of cookies. Super fast.